Hello friends, so this is the first lecture for calculus series and we are going to learn in our first lecture about functions, and here we will learn about absolute value and inequalities. Okay, so we will learn about what is absolute value. So absolute value of x, which is represented by mod x, so it's equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0, and it's minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, so if we have this definition, it means this absolute value just tells the distance of the number from the zero number. Okay, so it means like, okay, x is 3, so now 3 is greater than equal to 0, so mod of x is mod of 3, which is equal to 3 as x is greater than equal to 0. Mod of minus 2.5 will be minus of minus 2.5 as minus 2.5 is less than 0. So this is the case, mod of minus 2.5 is 2.5. So it just tells that what is the distance of minus 2.5 from origin, and distance is always absolute value. What is the distance? So it's 2.5. Okay, so we also see that mod of a is equal to mod of minus a. So this is the property because a and minus a both are distance of mod a from origin. Okay, so then we will see about some other properties as well. So let's see. So we also have some properties of absolute values. So like, so mod of a into b is equal to mod a mod of b. Okay, so this we can try out. So we are multiplying two numbers inside mod, so this will be equal to if we apply the absolute mod operator for both numbers differently. So let's say a is 2, b is 3, and we will take all other possibilities like a is equal to 2, b is minus 3, a is minus 2, b is 3, and a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 4. So if we see, so mod of ab, let's try to calculate mod of ab for first. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the four cases. So mod a into b for the first case is 2 into 3, so mod this is equal to 6, and mod a is mod 2 mod 3, so this is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this is fine. Other second case, if we consider 2 into minus 3, mod is, so this is mod of minus 6, which is 6, and mod a into mod b is mod of 2 mod of minus 3, so this is 2 into 3, which is 6. So this is also true. So similarly you can check for these two, and let's check for the last one. So minus 2 into minus 4 is equal to what? So 8, 4, 2 4s are 8, so this is mod of 8, which is 8, and mod of minus 2 into mod of minus 4, so this is 2 into 4, which is 8. So we see that, okay, this holds true. Okay, now let's see one more interesting property. Mod of a plus b is less than equal to mod a plus mod of b. Okay, so again if you try out with examples, so this we see now what happens is mod a plus b, so if any one of them is negative, so that will reduce the absolute value. Okay, so this will be what? So for if both of them are positive, so 2 and 3, let's say, so a is 2, b is 3, so 2 plus 3, so this is equal to mod of 5, which is 5, and mod of 2 plus mod of 3 is also 5. So this is true. So this is equality is holding. But let's see the other case. If for case 2, which is 2 plus minus 3, so we are seeing that okay, this is now becoming mod of minus 1, which is 1. Okay, and mod a plus mod b, this is mod 2 plus mod of minus 3, which is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So in this case we see mod of a plus b is less than mod of a plus b. If you see for the other case, this case also, so it will be minus 2 plus 3 mod, so it will be 1, but mod a plus mod b is again 5, so this is less than mod a plus mod b. So similarly this case equality I think would hold. Let's see. So minus 2 minus 4, okay, this is minus 6 mod, so this is 6, and minus 2 plus minus 4, so this is 2 plus 4, so this is 6. So this is also holding. So we see that okay, this is equality is also always holding. Now let's try to solve one question. Okay, so this is the question. So we have something like mod of 3x minus 5 minus 2x plus 3 mod is greater than 0. So this is the question, and we have to understand that this whole thing is now x, and this whole thing again is x corresponding to what we learnt in the definition. So it means absolute value of this, it means that whatever x is, so if this whole thing is greater than, so now let's try to put this piece separately. Okay, so mod 3x minus 5, let's see this number. So mod 3x minus 5, so now let's take, so mod a, we know it's equal to a if a is greater than equal to 0, minus a if a is less than 0. So now here a is 3x minus 5. So mod of 3x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 5 if 3x minus 5 is greater than equal to 0, or x is greater than equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so on the number line, if we have 5 by 3, so on this side we have this mod 3x minus 5 is 3x minus 5, but on this side we have mod 3x minus 5 equal to minus 3x minus 5. Okay, so we now know the definition for which part of the number line we should write this, and for which part we should write minus 3x minus 5. Similarly going for this one, so 2x plus 3. Okay, so this is 2x plus 3 if whole thing is greater than equal to 0. Solving this inequality, it gives x is greater than equal to minus 3 by 2, and this is equal to minus of 2x plus 3 if 2x plus 3 is less than 0, or x is less than minus 3 by 2. Okay, so we see that this definition is now depending upon the value minus 3 by 2. So on this part, this is 2x plus 3, and in this part it is minus of 2x plus 3. But we now know that okay, we have to solve this equation or inequality with both of them together. So what we do now, we put both these numbers on the number line and we get 3 parts. Okay, so we have now 3 parts. So part 1 is this, let's say, and let us have part 2, which is this, and part 3, which is this one. Okay, so this is part 3. So we will define our function based on all these different parts in the number line. So this part, second part, and the third part. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3. Next we go. So we see that our equation is this one. and now I'm just trying to solve it for the this part, okay, yellow part. So I can write, I know for both of them, so this is now what, 5 by 3. So below 5 by 3 this is minus of 3x minus 5 and 2x plus 3. So for minus 3 by 2 and less, this one is also minus. So we can write like this, we just wrote by absolute value definition. So minus 3x minus 5, this minus and minus becomes plus. So we see this comes out to be minus x plus 8 is greater than 0. If we have a is greater than 0, it implies minus a is less than 0. So if you multiply by a negative number, inequality sign changes, okay. So x minus x plus 8 is greater than 0, so x minus 8 is less than 0, x is less than 8. So for this inequation is true, but we must remember that here we had said that okay, our solution we got for this one, but we should also remember that we had this definition only when x is less than minus 3 by 2. So intersection of both of them is minus infinity to 3 by 2. And now you can ask, what is this? So this means here, this is the interval minus infinity to 3 by 2 where 3 by 2 is not included. So this is x is less than 3 by 2 and greater than minus infinity. So x is less than 3 by 2, okay. So next we consider in this green part where minus 3 by 2 is included and 5 by 3 is not included. So if this is the case, so we can write that okay, so this equation now, because it is on right of minus 3 by 2, so it will be positive, so we write like this, and this again is on the left of 5 by 3, so it is less than 5 by 3, so we write minus 3x minus 5. So what it becomes, minus 5x plus 2, so minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x plus 5 minus 3. So this is the case, so 5x minus 2 is less than 0 or x is less than 2 by 5, okay. So this is the constraint we get in the second part, and also we know that okay, x should be greater than equal to minus 3 by 2. So for this one it is minus 3 by 2 to 2 by 5. For the third part, both of them will be positive, so it is 3x minus 5 minus 2x plus 3 is greater than 0. So 3x minus 2x is x minus 5 minus 3, so x is greater than 8, okay. So this is the solution. So now we should combine all of them, it should be the union of these three. So it becomes minus infinity to 3 by 2 union, minus 3 by 2 included till 2 by 5 union 8 to infinity. So now we see this 3 by 2 is here also, so we can combine these and it becomes minus infinity to 2 by 5 and 8 to infinity, okay. So this is our solution that okay, x is less than 2 by 5 or x is greater than 8, okay. So I hope you get feeling about how to solve problems based on absolute value, okay. So the few things that we need to remember is of course the what is absolute value, okay, the definition, and then we tried to solve one problem based on it and saw that okay, how we can apply that property, okay, and then how we solve this inequality. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.